Good afternoon, everybody. It's from Jayshree. I'm going to take this part of the machine learning algorithms. We have seen the linear regression algorithm, logistic regression algorithm, and types of logistic regression algorithm. Now we are going to see the decision tree algorithm. So what do you mean by decision tree? Decision is very important in life, right? Similarly, decision tree algorithm is very important in machine learning. Let us see in detail, okay? So this is what decision tree algorithm. There are various algorithms in machine learning. So choosing the best algorithm for the given data set and the problem is the main point to remember while creating a machine learning model. Below are the two reasons for using the decision tree. Decision tree usually make human thinking ability while making the decision. So it is very easy to understand. The logic behind the decision tree can be easily understood because it shows a tree-like structure. Okay, which is what the decision tree algorithm. It is a graphical representation of getting all the possible solutions to a problem or decision based on the given conditions. That is what decision tree algorithm. The initial one is what decision node. And this decision node is again subdivided into left side and right side. That is what subtree. And this subtree again form the leaf node. And this leaf node, this decision node again form the one leaf node and two leaf node, etc. Okay. So it is a graphical representation of the machine learning algorithm. And also it is a supervised learning techniques that can be used for both classification and regression problems, but mostly it can be preferred for solving classification problems. It is a tree structure classifier where internal nodes represent the features of the data set, branches represent the decision rules, and each leaf node represents the outcome. It is a tree structured classifier where internal node represents the features of the data set, and the branches represent the decision rules, and each leaf node represents the outcome. In a decision tree, there are two nodes, decision node and the leaf node. That is what we already seen in this graph. Decision node, from the root node it forms the decision node, and the decision node it again forms the leaf node. Okay. Decision nodes are used to make any decisions and have multiple branches, where leaf nodes are the output of those decisions and do not contain any future branches. The decisions or the tests are performed on the basis of features of the given data set. Okay, so this is what decision tree terminology is. Okay, root node, leaf node, splitting. Let us see what I mean by root node. Root node is formed where the decision tree starts. Okay, it represents the entire data sets which further gets divided into two or more homogeneous sets. Leaf nodes are the final output node and the tree cannot be segregated further after getting the leaf node. Okay. Splitting is the process of dividing the decision node or root node into subnodes according to the given conditions. Root node, leaf node, splitting. Root node is formed where the decision tree starts. It represents the entire data sets which further gets divided into two or more homogeneous sets. Okay. This forms the decision tree starts. This forms the major classifications of this techniques. Okay. Leaf node are the final output node and the tree cannot be segregated further after getting a leaf node. That is what we can see this leaf node. After the leaf node, this cannot be segregated. Okay, from the decision node it can able to segregate, but after leaf node it cannot be segregated. Okay, splitting is the process of dividing the decision node or root node into subnodes according to the given conditions. Okay, next one is what branch or subtree. A tree formed by splitting the tree, that is what the branch tree. Pure running is the process of removing the unwanted branches from the tree. Parent or child node, the root node of the tree is called parent node and other nodes are called the child node. I will conclude the decision tree algorithm. It is a graphical representation of getting all possible solutions to the problem or decisions based on the given conditions. Thank you all.